Hello guys, in this video we will see how to create PostgreSQL database using 3 ways on Windows and Linux environment. First method is by using createdb tool that comes with the installation of PostgreSQL, and second one by using command line. So by using create database then database. The third one is by using GUI method, that is by using DBeaver or PGadmin. First I am going to show you two methods, those are createdb and create database then database. See, I have connected to my Linux machine. The commands are same for all Linux operating systems. Verify whether createdb is there or not. See, we have the createdb tool. Okay. See, this is the syntax. createdb creates a PostgreSQL database. This is the usage. Okay. createdb, then we have to provide the name of the database. And these are the options like owner name. We have to, if you want to provide owner name, you have to give -- owner. If you want to provide the table space, here --d or -- table space equals to table space or -d. -o is for owner. Okay. So try with createdb. Then I am giving company. Then hit enter. See, we got error because this user, that is the art school, doesn't have the permission. Use the Postgres or existing user in PostgreSQL. Okay, sudo su-postgres. Now run the same command, create db, then provide the name for the database. Company, you want to give owner name -o equals to owner name. At present I don't want, no need to put semicolon at the end of the statement, and hit enter. See, we don't have received any error, which means it is success. Let's connect to PostgreSQL and verify. PSQL -l c, new database company has been created. Q to quit. Even you can verify the only db name, dat name from PG_database. See, new database company is there. Okay. So this is the first way. The second way is create database. Then here we have to provide the database. I am giving sales with owner, provide the owner name. If you don't know the list of the users, //du is the meta command. See, we have only 3 users. So okay, create database sales with owner up to admin. We have successfully created. Again verify /l, that is /l, which is called meta command. See here, owner, see, this is the database name and this is the owner name. Q to quit, exit /q to quit. See, until now we have seen 2 ways to create a database. The third way is by using DBeaver or PGadmin. Open PGadmin. If you want to install PGadmin on your machine, then go through the link provided in the video description and install it. PGadmin for. And meanwhile, open DBeaver also. Even if you haven't installed DBeaver on your machine, go through the link provided in the video description and install it. Now I expand this one. Right click on databases. Then select create, then click on database. Here provide the database name. I am giving test db, and here we have to select the owner name from the list of the users. Okay, I am going with the same one, and these are the settings, like you can give the encoding, template, table space and other options. If you don't provide table space, it will take the default table space. Security parameter. See, this is the SQL statement. Even if you can copy this one and you can run there. And see here, connection limit -1 means unlimited connections. Suppose if you want to give only one, you have to give 1. Okay, I'm giving -1. Then click on save. No need to do anything. Just click on save. See, new database has been created. You can also create database. Right click on this one, edit connection. Then give the local host. Then click on OK. Instead of that, edit it, click on text connection, connection, success, click on OK, expand it. See, expand databases, we will see only one. Now click on create new database, then provide the database name, DB test. Click on OK. See, new database has been created. If you go to the editor, click on SQL, select dat name from PG_database, click on it, select it, execute it. See, we have all databases. DB test DB is created here, and even if you are unable to find, right click on it and refresh here. See, new database, that is DB test, has been added. Okay, but to create database we must have the privileges. Suppose if you connect with other user like local James and localhost, give the username as James, provide the password of this user, click on save. Now try to create a database. See, we don't have the option, but with this user we have the create database. So to create database we must have the createdb privileges. So right click on users, right click on it, properties, privileges, then you have to select createdb. Then here we will see alter createdb, or we can grant the privilege going to right click on any database, query tool, alter user James, create DB, then execute it. It is success. Now go to the connection, right click, refresh, expand, right click on databases, still we don't have. So disconnect and connect back, refresh, connect to the server, provide the password of the user, click on OK. Now right click. See, we are able to create the database. So, okay, so to create database we must have the createdb privileges. See, the PGadmin can work in Ubuntu machine also. Okay, you have to connect to Ubuntu desktop and you have to go to the PGadmin or DBeaver. Okay, if you want to drop database, you have to right click on the database, then select delete database. Okay, this is the way. Or from the command prompt here also right click and click on delete. Simply click on S. See, database gone. If you go to the here and refresh, see that database gone. I forgot to tell you, we can also drop database by using DropDB. See, let us try to drop the sales DB. Q to quit, DropDB, then sales. No need to give anything. Hit enter. Now connect to it. PSQL. See, sales database gone. Even in here also we can drop. Go to the installation directory, C drive, program files, PostgreSQL 16, bin. Using this DropDB also we can perform the same action like here. Okay, on Windows we can do the same createdb command by going to PSQL utility, search for PSQL, click on the PSQL shell, post same, provide the password, create database, then provide the database name. I'm going test1, put the semicolon. It is success. Let us run the same. Select that name from PG_database. See, new database has been created. Okay, even if you go here, refresh here, you will find the database name test1. Okay, so in this video we have seen 3 different ways to create PostgreSQL database in Windows and Linux environments. For more PostgreSQL Server videos, please subscribe my channel. Thank you.